Hello everyone, I am Geeta Khatri and you are watching Learn at Scholar. So I am back with your exercise 11.2 in continuation. I have already uploaded the video with exercise 11.1 and all the try these. If you haven't seen that video, please go in the description. You will find the link, click on the link and you can see the first exercise of chapter 11, that is 11.1 exercise. Students, I will cover your whole course on this channel. If you want to learn all the subjects for free, subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. The red button is given below. The subscription is totally free. Then hit the bell and press all. Then you will be able to receive all the notification of the recently uploaded videos. I record all the lessons and upload the videos regularly on this channel. So let's proceed with our exercise 11.2. Now, you are familiar with most of the shapes like rectangle, square, circle, etc. So, if we talk about a rectangle, it has two diagonals. If we draw only one diagonal, the rectangle is divided into two triangles. These two triangles are equal in area. If we sum up the areas of both these triangles, we get the total area of the rectangle. For example, if the area of the rectangle is 10 cm square, the area of each triangle will be 5 and 5. Have you got my point? So, the formula of the area of the rectangle is L into B. So, what will be the formula of area of the triangle? Yes, half into L into B. That means half of the area of the rectangle. Now take one square. These are the two diagonals of the square. With the help of these diagonals, the square is divided into four triangles. You must be familiar with triangles. Tri means three sides and three angles. This is one triangle, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. That means a square is divided into four triangles by two diagonals. Now, these four triangles are congruent. Congruent triangles are those that have the same size and shape. That means the corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal. Now these four triangles are congruent. That means they are equal in area. These four triangles are equal in area and these cover the whole square. That means if we sum up all the areas, that means areas of the four triangles, we will get the area of the square. Got my point? That means if the area of the square is 20 centimeters square, the area of each triangle will be, yes, 5 centimeters square. That means the area of one triangle will be 1 by 4 of the area of the square. Now, the area of the square is side square. So, the area of the triangle will be 1 by 4 into side square, the area of the square. That means, if one shape is divided into equal parts, the area of each part will be that fraction of the whole. Like if the square is divided into 4 parts, the area of each triangle will be 1 by 4 of the area of the square. If the rectangle is divided into two triangles which are equal in area, that means the area of each triangle will be half of the area of the whole rectangle. Have you got my point? Now, deriving the formula of the area of the parallelogram. Take this vertex, topmost vertex, draw a perpendicular to the opposite side, draw a triangle, cut this triangle and paste to the other side. When you cut this triangle and paste to the other side, you will get one rectangle. This rectangle is of the same area as that of the parallelogram. We will find that the length of the rectangle is equal to the base of the parallelogram and the breadth of the rectangle is equal to the height of the parallelogram. Now the area of the rectangle, you know that length into breadth is the area of the rectangle. What will be the area of the parallelogram? This length is equal to the base. The breadth is equal to the height. That means base into height will be the area of the parallelogram. That means you will multiply the measurement of AC with the measurement of DF, that is the height. AC is the base. Base into height will be the area of the parallelogram. Have you got my point? If you have any confusion, any doubt, any query, you can WhatsApp me on the given number or you can mail me on the given mail ID. What is the requirement of the area, or why should we derive the area? This measurement is required in most of the professions. In a simple way, I can say that if you have to color any shape, you and your friend are in competition. After coloring the picture, you are saying to your friend that you have taken more time to color, and he is saying that this shape is bigger than yours. What will you do? Yes, you will find the area of both the shapes. If both the shapes are triangles, yes, you must know the formula to find out the area of the triangles to get the real measurement. Now take one paper, draw one triangle, cut this triangle. Place this triangle again on the left portion of the paper. That means this portion of the paper which is left after cutting this triangle. Now draw this triangle, again cut this triangle. Are these two triangles congruent? Let's find out by using the superimposition method. You can rotate and then set. Now you can see that both these triangles are congruent. That means the corresponding sides are equal, corresponding angles are also equal. That means these two triangles are equal in area. Now place this triangle like this triangle like this. You will get one parallelogram. You know that both these triangles are equal in area. So the area of the parallelogram will be the sum of these two triangles. Right? The side of this triangle and side of this triangle form the diagonal of the parallelogram. This diagonal is dividing the parallelogram into two equal halves. As the triangles are equal in area, so the area of each triangle will be half of the area of the parallelogram. And we know that the area of a parallelogram is base into height. Have you got this point? The same point we have been discussing since the starting of this video. That means if any shape is divided into equal parts, the area of each part will be equal to that fraction of the whole. If this parallelogram is divided into two equal triangles, the area of each triangle will be 1 by 2 of the area of the parallelogram, which is equal to B into H. That means area of this triangle will be equal to half into BH, and area of this triangle is also equal to half into BH. Now look at this figure. This is the base. These all triangles are made on the same base. These all the triangles are equal in area. And you know that the area of a triangle is half into base into height. If the areas are equal, base are equal, that means heights are also equal. But you cannot superimpose them. That means they are not congruent. Conclusively, we can say that if the triangles are congruent, they are equal in area. If the triangles are equal in area, they need not be congruent. Obtuse angled triangle is a special case where the height is drawn by drawing a perpendicular connecting the topmost vertex to the extension of the base. Now, if the measurement of the base is given, we can multiply this base with the height of the triangle and we can get the area of the obtuse angle triangle by putting in the formula half into base into height. Now we can continue with the problems of exercise 11.2. First of all, we will try these. In the first one, we have to find out the area of the parallelogram. The height and base are given. We know that the area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height. The measurements are given. We will put these figures in the formula. Base is 8 centimeter, height is 3.5 centimeter. We will multiply both and get the area of the parallelogram. The area is always in the square units, so it is 28 centimeters square. The second one, base is 8 centimeter again, height is 2.5 centimeter. Now we will multiply 8 in and 2.5 to get the area of the parallelogram. The area is 20 centimeters square. Now this one, in a parallelogram ABCD, AB is equal to 7.2 centimeter. I have drawn the parallelogram. You can see the base and the height. From C, a perpendicular is drawn to AB, which is equal to 4.5 centimeter. That means the base is 7.2 centimeter and the height is 4.5 centimeter, as the height is drawn from the vertex to the base. So we can easily find out the area because both the measurements are given. Base is 7.2. Height is 4.5. Which is also called the altitude. So 7.2 into 4.5 is equal to 32.4 centimeters square. Now take different parallelograms, divide each of the parallelograms into two triangles by cutting along any of its diagonals. Are the triangles congruent? Let's find out. I have drawn two shapes. In the first shape, we have to find out, are the triangles congruent? You can see the two triangles made by the diagonal. Let's name the parallelogram ABCD. The second parallelogram is PQRS. Now let's find out if the triangles are congruent. The triangle ABD and triangle ACD in the first parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. So AB is parallel to CD, and we already know the features or characteristics of parallel lines. Angle BAD is equal to angle ADC. How? Because AB is parallel to CD and these are alternate angles, as AD is the transversal line. So these both are equal. Now AC is parallel to BD. Since opposite sides are parallel, so what will happen? Angle CAD will be equal to angle ADB. Again the same reason, both angles are alternate angles. One side is common, that is AD. So now two angles and one side are equal. That means two triangles are congruent by the rule ASA. That means two angles on one sides are equal. Students, you have to follow the same pattern of writing during exam. This is how you will explain all the things and the examiner will get the idea that you have the full knowledge of all the angles, congruence and all the formulas. I have proved that the two triangles made by the diagonals in a parallelogram are congruent to each other. In the second figure, you have to prove in the same manner. Write in the comment section whether you are able to do this or not. If there is any confusion, any query, you can WhatsApp me on the given number or you can mail me. This is your homework. Remember one thing, homework helps you gain fluency on the concept or the subject. So please do your homework, revise your things so that you can become expert. Now we will move to the exercise. 11.2 first question. Find the area of each of the following parallelograms. In the first one, the base and height are given. We will put both these in the formula and find out the area of the parallelogram. Base is 7 cm, height is 4 cm. Area of the parallelogram is base into height, 7 into 4 is equal to 28 cm square. In the second one, base is 5 cm, height or altitude is 3 cm. So the area will be base into height, that means 5 into 3 is equal to 15 cm square. All other parts are similar. You can pause the video, solve them and check back. Height is the altitude or the perpendicular drawn on the base. Here the height is 4.8 cm and base is 5 cm. We will multiply both base and height and get the area of the parallelogram. Base is 2 cm, height is 4.4 cm. The area of the parallelogram is base into height, that means 2 into 4.4, that is 8.8 cm square. Find the area of each of the triangles. We know that the formula for area of the triangle is half into base into height. Base and height are given. We will put the measurement in the formula and find the area of the triangle. In the second one, base is given as 5 centimeter, height is given as 3.2 centimeter. Area will be half into base into height. Half into 5 into 3.2. By removing the decimal, we will get 10 in the denominator. 2 5 ja 10, 2 16 ja 32, then 2 5 ja 10 and 2 8 ja 16. Ultimately, the result is 8 centimeter square. Now the C1, it is a right angle triangle. The height is 4 centimeter. The height is the same as the altitude or perpendicular. Height and side are same. So the area of the triangle will be half into base into height. Height is 4 centimeter, base is 3 centimeter. Area is 6 centimeter square. Area is 3 centimeter square. The third one is find the missing values. Height is not given, base is given. The area of the parallelogram is base into height. If the area is given and base is given, we can easily find out the height by putting the values in the formula. Area is 246, base is 20, height is not known. The value of x, that means the height, is equal to 123 upon 10. That means 12.3. In the second, height is 15 centimeter, base is not given. We will put the values in the formula, area of the parallelogram, base into height. (15b) is equal to 154.5. Solving this, we will get the value of b, that is the base. Removing the point, we will get 10 in the denominator. And solving this, we will get the base as 10.3 centimeter. In the C1, base is not given, height is given. Area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height. Area is 48.72. Base into height, b into 8.4 centimeter. Solving this, we will get the value of base. Now the last one. Base is given, height is not given. 16.38 upon 15.6 is the height. Removing the decimals, 10 upon 100, and solving, we will get the value of h. The value is 1.05 centimeter. Area of the triangle is half into base into height. Base is given, height is not given. (58 upon 5 is the value of x. (11.6 centimeter). In the second one, base is not given. Height is given and the area of the triangle is given. We will put the values in the formula and find out the base. The base is 80 millimeter. Now the third one, where height is not given, base is given. 22 centimeter, height is not given, area is given. Area is 170.5. is equal to half into 22 into height. Two 11 ja 22. Solving this, we will get 15.5 centimeter as the height. QM is 7.6 centimeter. SR is 12 centimeter. We have to find out the area of the parallelogram PQRS. The formula is base into height. Base is given as 12 centimeter and height is 7.6 centimeter. So, the area will be 91.2. In the second one, we have to find out the value of Qn. Qn is the altitude or height. Now, we know the area of the parallelogram. The second base is PS is equal to 8 centimeter. We can easily find out the altitude or height. Height is Qn. (91.2) upon 8 is the value of Qn. Solving this, we get the value as 11.4 centimeter. DL and BM are the heights on sides AB and AD respectively of parallelogram ABCD. If the area of the parallelogram is 1470 centimeter square, AB is 35 centimeter and AD is 49 centimeter. First of all, AB is the base, then height is DL. Area is given as 1470 centimeter square. The value of DL is 42 centimeter. Now we have to find out the length of BM. Second part, area of the parallelogram is 1470 centimeter square. If AD is the base, then BM will be the altitude or height of the parallelogram. The length of BM, that means the height of the parallelogram, will be 1470 upon 49. Is equal to 30 centimeter. Question number 7. This is a triangle ABC. AB is equal to 5 centimeter. The triangle is right angled at A. Base is 12 centimeter. Area of the triangle will be 30 centimeter square. Now the area of the triangle is 30. Height is AD. Since the base is now taken as BC, which is equal to 13 centimeter. AD is the height which is perpendicular to the base BC. (30 into 2 upon 13 is equal to AD, that is the height of the triangle. The triangle is same, so the area is same. If we know the area of the triangle, taking another base, we can easily find out the second height. Question number 8. The triangle is isosceles with AB is equal to AC is equal to 7.5 centimeter. We know that in an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. BC is the base, which is equal to 9 centimeter. The height AD from A to BC is 6 centimeter. We have to find out the area of triangle ABC. What will be the height from C to AB, that is CE? First of all, we will find out the area of the triangle. Taking the base BC as 9 centimeter, we know the area of the triangle is half into base into height. Base is 9 and height is 6. 2 3 ja 6, 9 3 ja 27 centimeter square. Area of the triangle is given. Now we can easily find out the height from C to AB, that is CE. We already know the area of the triangle, which is equal to 27 centimeter square. Now the base is AB, which is equal to 7.5 centimeter now. Now we can easily find out the height, that is CE. Putting all the values in the formula, we can easily find out the height. Solving this, the value of CE is the value of CE is 7.2 centimeter. So the questions are solved. This is all for today. 11.2 exercise is completed. You can see the next exercise in the link given in the description, and stay tuned to watch the whole chapter 11 by subscribing the channel. If you like the video, hit the like button and share the knowledge with others. Bye bye for now.